Here's a practical application of the Hikvision's new AI cameras. Very good quality. When we go into playback, we've got different views. We've got these blocks where you can see the time. We can have those time schedules on a 24-hour list. Right, during playback, since it's a high resolution camera, it's a 4 megapixel, you do get 8 megapixels as well. But this camera is a 4 megapixel camera. You can see when we pause it there, it's still very good quality. You can see the quality of the image and the edges, it's still very good. This is early in the morning. You can see the light here is still shining brightly. That's actually very dark out there, but it's still giving you color images. We've got full remote access to settings on permission of the master user, of which the line crossing is the most important one, because we pull those in on the alarm system and they act as beams. So in this one, for instance, if someone were to move through that line and it activates the alarm that is armed, then there will be an alarm and a 7-second video clip of the event. And this is the AX Pro alarm system. It's a wireless alarm system. In this case, it's a hybrid. In other words, it's got 16 wired zones which can be expanded, so wireless and wired. Here are some wireless zones. You can see what's going on that zone. You can go into the settings and we can change a lot of settings. The most important one really is whether we're going to link a camera to it or not. So we can link any of the cameras on the system so that it'll send us a 7-second video clip when there's alarm notification. We also pulled in some cameras as zones, like I showed you with the line crossing. This one we wired the alarm relay output on the camera, so this is a wired zone. It can be pulled in via the IP as an IP zone directly. The problem there is that we only can pull in 4 of those cameras with the visual verification, whereas when you wire it, you can add a camera linkage. In other words, you'll get your 7-second video footage. With the remotes called a key fob, you've got all your features there, and we can do some settings, of which changing the buttons. We can choose any of these features for this button. We can open garage doors, etc. with any of those buttons or combinations of buttons. The user can change that in his Hik-Connect app as well. When it comes to the siren or the sounder, we can see temperature, whether it's connected, what the signal strength is like, and the volume, and we can change the volume here and change some of the settings there as well, signal strength, volume test, etc. The Hik-Connect app would look more or less the same than the maintenance app, where you can do stay arming, away arming, silencing the alarm, disarming, etc. and you can see the status of the alarm. We've then also got full access to maintenance and other settings. In the network video recorder, we've got full access to all kinds of settings, of which the smart event settings are the most important ones. Those are the intrusion and the line crossing. Line crossing we use as a beam functioning as a zone in the alarm system. You can add any of the alarm response companies that is on the list, ADT, Gordons Bay, etc., Securite, and they can get directly through the internet all the triggers on this alarm system, have all the features and know about everything going on in your alarm system, trouble conditions, anything like that. Your Hik-Connect app has got a personal account, and you can also add a Teams account. In the Teams account, you've got a few devices you can add on the free account. You can add more with licensing, but what is especially useful is the access control of face readers. This is a face reader, and you can have some temporary passes created. Some of them have expired, but the most important part of this is in the Edge program you can add persons, you can draw logs of activities, and you've got full control over the internet.